ARGOS X is the contactless wheel alignment system that is redefining industry standards in terms of precision, speed, and ease of use for professional workshops. Thanks to its fully automated measurement process, ARGOS X measures toe and camber in less than 5 seconds, with no need to attach targets or sensors to the wheels. As the vehicle enters the workshop, the license plate recognition system is activated, automatically linking the plate to the vehicle model and retrieving its specifications from an always up-to-date database. As mentioned, in just 5 seconds, and without any targets or manual intervention, ARGOS X measures toe and camber, providing instant results that immediately reveal the condition of every vehicle entering the workshop. A clear and intuitive report helps customers immediately understand the vehicle's condition, builds trust, and can be shared in just a few seconds via WhatsApp, SMS, or email. If the vehicle is out of specification, a clear and detailed vehicle status report can be sent directly to the customer's smartphone, highlighting potential alignment issues and helping customers understand the condition of their vehicle while supporting the sale of the wheel alignment service, even after they have left the workshop. The adjustment process is performed just like any traditional wheel alignment, but is made even easier thanks to the remote control tablet, which can be positioned anywhere in the workshop. ARGOS X is available in a pit version for vehicles aligned over an inspection pit, or in a full version for alignment on a fixed height lift. In both cases, the initial check is performed at ground level. The compact design of ARGOS X allows installation in workshops of any size, and with any type of existing lift or pit. ARGOS X cameras perform over 1,000 laser measurements per axle and can accurately read all types of wheels, from small to large diameters, including chrome and black rims, without any difficulty. Vehicle wheelbase and size are never an issue. ARGOS X measures everything from microcars to vans with ease. Based on industry data, if 100 vehicles enter a workshop each week and are analyzed in just a few seconds, around 50% would require wheel alignment correction. Considering that more than half of these customers are likely to accept the service, ARGOS X becomes a powerful tool for driving revenue growth and increasing profitability. Turn alignment into growth. Redefine your business. Choose ARGOS X.